Why waste time in commute and spend a lot of money for NEET UG coaching? Parents, do you want your kids to achieve top scores in NEET? India's leading online NEET coaching, 100% success. NEET UG. TeenEinstein.com. At TeenEinstein, we focus on NEET coaching from Class 6 to Class 12. We think you'll like it. Our teachers are mostly PhDs in physics, maths, chemistry, botany and zoology with lots of years of teaching experience for Class 6 to Class 12. Thousands of videos, quiz, MCQs. We provide a daily worksheet of 30 questions on each topic: math, physics, chemistry and biology for rigorous practice, concept understanding, evaluation, quizzes and thousands of videos. Limited offer, 40,000 per year. Book your class. TeenEinstein.com. Contact 99402 49720.
Hello students, welcome to the POIQ discussions on NEET UG papers. Let us solve a problem from NEET UG paper 2020. The question says a wire of length L meter carrying a current I ampere is bent in the form of a circle. Its magnetic moment is what out of these four options? So we know magnetic moment, small m, or sometime you can denote it by mu, is given by I, that is the current in a particular loop, and the area of that particular loop. So in this case, look, a wire of length L is converted into a circle. Okay, I have to find out the area of this circle. Current is same anyway, which is flowing in the wire, that is I. So I have to just find out the area of this. Okay, so what will be the area of this circle made of this wire given in the question? So to find out area, I have to find out the radius of the wire, right? So see, 2 pi r, the length of the perimeter will be exactly equal to the length of the wire. So from here I can find out what is the radius. So this is very simple calculation. And now you have to find out area. So what is this area? Area will be pi r square. So pi is there, and this is L square by 4 pi square. So that means it is L by 4 pi. So just multiply here, I into this A is given by L by 4 pi. So L by 4 pi. Okay, I'm sorry, this will be L square. L square by 4 pi. So look the options, I L square by 4 pi. So this option D is the correct answer for this question. Thank you.
Lot of money for iitjee coaching. Parents, do you want your kids to achieve top scores in iitjee? India's leading online NEET coaching 100% success iitjee. At TeenEinstein, we focus on iitjee coaching from Class 6 to Class 12. We think you'll like it. Our teachers are mostly PhDs in physics, maths, chemistry, botany, and zoology with lots of years of teaching experience for Class 6 to Class 12. Thousands of videos, quiz, MCQs. We provide a daily worksheet of 30 questions on each topic: math, physics, chemistry, and biology, for rigorous practice, concept understanding, evaluation, quiz, and thousands of videos. Limited offer, 40,000 rupees per year. Book your class. TeenEinstein.com.